So here take a dark orange color and start from the upper direction. Now take a light orange, means orange, and color it yellow arch. Same color. Lime yellow, and now blend it with water. Now let it dry for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and draw some rocks with a black color, and continue.
I said the things you want me to might lead to someone else but you.
Okay, now draw 2 or more coconut trees and color them also with the black color, poster black. Now just remove the tape off the paper. And it's done.